Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, here we are here with another video. If you're returning, as I always say, I really appreciate that you keep watching my content, and I hope you do enjoy the video. And please share the video as well widely with your friends, family, everybody that you know. They may also pick up something from this video. And guys, we have reached the 100 mark subscribers. Wow, that's a milestone. I'm so happy. If you're new, thank you so much for clicking on the video. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope that you do finally subscribe to this channel. Hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. With those pleasantries out of the way, today's video I'm going to be washing my hair. So this will be like a full from start to finish with treatments. I've had my hair in cornrows because I've been wearing wigs for the past couple of weeks. So I've just removed the cornrows, so I'm going to wash the hair. I'm going to dye the hair as well. So I've decided today I'm going to dye the hair to cover the gray. Yeah, and then I'm also going to do a treatment. I haven't done a treatment in a while. And then I'm also going to roll the hair like a roller set, right? If you watched my previous video on my quick wash day routine, I am going to be using some of the products that I referred to in that video. If you've not watched it, I'm going to link the video up here. So please, after this video, I would like to see you in this video, right? If you remember, I had talked about this scalp refreshing shampoo, so I'm going to use this one today because my scalp actually has a lot of product buildup, so I need to clean the scalp. So I'm going to be using this one. This one is nice as well because it has a bit of like peppermint, so it really cleanses the scalp very well. So while I'm doing the wash, I'm also going to be using this brush. It's almost like massaging, but it almost also lifts some of the product buildup that is on the scalp. So this is also a very nice brush. So after using the scalp shampoo, I'm going to go in with a normal shampoo, which is also from the Argan Oil brand. And then once I wash the hair, I'll be going in with a dye. And then after I have done and washed the dye out of the hair, I'm going to go in with the treatment. Then I'll be using the treatment. If you watch the other video, you may also remember this hair mask that I'm going to wash it off and then use the conditioner, also from the Argan Oil brand. I'll be showing you all the steps. It's not like the other video, so it's not like a quick wash day. This probably will take me about 3 to 4 hours to do the whole thing from start to finish. Without further ado, let's get into the video, and I'll see you after my wash. So I'm freshly out of the shower. The hair has been washed. So I'm just now drying the hair using this t-shirt. From here, I'll put in the dye. I'm still gonna leave the 4 sections and put in the dye per section. I think that will make it a bit easier to handle, and I guess less messy. I'm now going to be putting in the dye per section, as I said. I've already mixed the dye, so I'll just apply it to my hair. Unfortunately, I don't have a brush to apply the dye to the hair, so I'm just going to be using my hands. I already have gloves on, so I'll see you again after I'm done with this process. Hopefully it goes according to plan. Put the dye in the hair. I think I have tried to really cover all the gray. There's still some product left, but I don't think I can put any more. I left it in my hair for about 20 minutes. So now I'm going to wash it off and see the results. It looks really dark. I don't know if you can see. You remember this was mostly where all the grays was. I've just washed the dye out of the hair, and it looks pretty good. I think it has really covered the gray very well. Like if you can see, don't know if you can see there. So now I'm going to prepare the treatment. I'll show you how I do that, and then I'm going to apply the treatment. I'll leave it on for about maybe 40 minutes because it's getting a bit late now. Then I'll wash it off. Then I will roller set the hair. So let's do the treatment. For the treatment, I have this hair mask by the Argan Oil brand. So I'm going to scoop it in a different container because I don't want to use all of it because it's still full. Then I put a few drops of the Argan Oil. This is how the bottle looks like. So I'm going to put a few drops of this into the hair mask, about 3 to 4 drops. And then I don't have another mixer, but I'm going to use the back of this comb to just mix the oil with the hair mask, and I'll apply this to the hair. Basically, that's it. So I've had the treatment on for about 40 minutes. I'm going to wash it off now. This treatment actually makes, it's almost like you have put relaxer on your hair, kind of, because the hair really almost clings to your scalp. And what I also like to do while I have the treatment on, once you come to the end of the time that you're having it on your hair, just also put a little bit of water and just massage the treatment into the hair again. I actually like to detangle my hair when there's conditioner or treatment, and just make sure that there's actually enough conditioner or treatment in your hair so that the brush doesn't pull too much on the hair. So I like to use this detangling brush to detangle my hair. It doesn't actually pull too much on the hair. I just really like it. So if you can find yourself this brush, I think I've got this from Amazon a while back, but I think you can also find them in maybe in Discam clicks. I'm sure you can also find them, maybe different variations but similar. As you can see, the hair is really detangled, like the brush is really just going through the hair very nicely. Yeah, then I'll see you after I wash this off. We are here, guys. Final step. Yo guys, my nails are all black now. I'm gonna have to cut them. I'm sure you've seen this before in my other video. I'm also going to use this. Finally done. So this is the rollers, my hair in rollers. Thank you so much for sticking by all the way to the end. A reminder to please subscribe, like, comment, share. If you've not watched my quick wash day routine, please do so. I'll see you in that video next. Bye.